Hello, appreciate you checking out the video. We're out in the shop working on my friend's, it's a 1998 Dodge Ram 1500, got a 5.2 liter in it or something, and we're just having all kinds of fun. As you can see, the distributor cap, right up here, that part's cracked, and I saw another crack on here somewhere. Yeah, I mean, yeah, this thing was so... it's on there somewhere, but yeah, this is all kinds of fun. So I think there's no easy way to do this. He's having all kinds of fun, got all kinds of swivels and extensions, trying to get that back. He has already gone underneath it and all that kind of fun stuff. So I think what I recommend is once we get that is to go ahead and it's really tight back in there. We do have the firing order. Let me pull this out, kind of show that to you, that way if you get lost. Right here is the firing order of a 98 Dodge Ram. So we just pulled all the wires and the caps, so we're getting ready to before we even do the wires, we're going to come in, and I can't really show you this, but that back one is all burned up, the rotor itself. So luckily it has a little nipple on it, and it just fits right in place, but it was all burned up itself. So go back in there and put the rotor back on, then very carefully hook this up how it's on there, and then just one by one start taking the caps off and the wires and bring them around and plug them in, and I wonder how long this is going to take. So how long have we been at it now that we got here? About, I know we're out here at, well, before 11 and it's roughly about 1:30 or something like that, so we're just having all kinds of fun. So stay tuned. If I did this right, I'll just kind of pause it. Well, I'll show you a little bit later what we're doing. Here we are. We've come up to a snag. Do you see the spark plug right there? From hell.
You may have to zoom in.
I don't know if I can. Yeah, I got it right here. There you go. Yeah, that's more like it. Zoom on in there. See what this thing looking at. It's about as far as we can go. But yeah, it's broke off all the way down, so having fun with this one. So we continue on until this is the last plug. Out of 8 we broke 4. 3. And but besides, yeah, the wiring ain't nothing now, so be prepared for these spark plugs. So okay, continuing. So yeah, appreciate you checking out the video of the spark plug from hell. Where yeah, we're starting to wonder. We're actually getting ready to go and buy parts, but I thought about, it said a little prayer, please God help us, and what brought it out was one of these, and just waylaid on it, and it bites down on it, and it worked. So now we continue. We've got all the spark plugs. We've got 2 left on this side, and start putting wires and start putting this thing back together. So, but yeah, that was a real pain in the new, yeah. So, yeah, it's down in there somewhere. So, it was fun. So, the story continues. So, until the next one. Welcome back to the video. After all day, we are finishing up. We had that one spark plug from hell, and he's, I think, what, number 4 cylinder. For us, it was easier to pull the distributor and put it back down. It was kind of a burger to get it all, and and basically we got one more wire, and I think we're done with this job, aren't we?
Yep. Okay. There's that.
Have you got everything in?
Yep.
We'll fire it up.
Well, I gotta put this back on.
What? Yeah. Yeah, you always disconnect the hot side. Yeah, he threw some sparks earlier. That was fun. But, first thing you do is pull the... So, hope you enjoyed the video. I hope this helps. But, yeah, we found it easier to go ahead and pull all the wires off, use the diagram. And I think I got a clearer picture of that. And you can probably get that parts store. So, appreciate you watching the video.
Or your local mechanic can print you out one.
Please subscribe.